Welcome to the WION Podcast. Today on the Deep Dive, we're looking at some pretty interesting developments with India's space program, specifically how they're really boosting their defense capabilities. We're talking satellites for ground surveillance.
That's right. It's quite a significant plan, actually. The number floating around is 52 new satellites.
52, wow.
Yeah, over the next 5 years.
Huh.
This isn't just speculation either. It came from Pawan Kumar Goenka, the chairman of N-Space, confirmed at a conference in Delhi.
Okay, so InSpace is confirming 52 satellites. And the main job for these is helping out the armed forces, Army, Navy, Air Force.
Exactly. The primary purpose is really enhancing their surveillance game. Things like tracking adversary movements much more effectively,
Right.
monitoring borders, obviously crucial, and also helping coordinate military operations, in real time.
So better eyes in the sky, basically. They have capabilities now, but this is about constant enhancement.
Precisely. Constant enhancement is the key phrase. They acknowledge what exists, but this is a major step up.
What's interesting, I think, is who's building them. It's not just ISRO, the government agency.
No, and that's a really key point. It's actually split. Half, so 26, will be built by ISRO,
Okay.
and the other half, that's going to private sector companies. It signals a pretty big push for private involvement in national security space stuff.
That is significant. Why bring in the private sector for something this critical? Is it speed, innovation?
It's likely a mix of things: agility, maybe faster development cycles, leveraging different kinds of innovation. But it also connects directly to another development,
Which is?
the small satellite launch vehicle technology.
Yeah.
The SSLV ISRO is transferring this tech to private industry.
Ah, okay. Tell me more about these SSLVs. Why are they important here?
Well, SSLVs are designed to launch smaller satellites, maybe 10 to 500 kilograms, into low Earth orbit.
Right.
And the big advantage is they can do it quickly, with minimal turnaround time and less ground infrastructure compared to the bigger rockets.
So faster, more flexible launches.
Exactly. Think launch on demand. If there's an urgent need, maybe during an emergency or a tense situation, you could potentially get a satellite up there much faster.
That makes sense for surveillance. So this tech transfer for SSLVs, is it happening soon?
The word used was imminent, possibly even within the next fortnight or so very soon.
Okay, imminent SSLV tech transfer, 52 new satellites split between ISRO and private firms. InSpace is kind of spearheading the deployment part.
Yes, InSpace is facilitating this deployment and the private sector involvement. But it's important to note the actual decisions on what to surveil, the tasking that remains with the Union Home Ministry and the Defense Forces themselves.
Got it. So InSpace enables, defense decides. Now, the timing of this announcement came sort of close to reports about Operation Sindoor, those precision strikes after the Pahalgam attack. Is there a connection or just coincidence?
Well, the announcement timing is interesting. Having enhanced surveillance capabilities, real-time eyes on the ground from space, would certainly be beneficial during such tense periods. It gives you better situational awareness.
Makes sense. So looking ahead, once this whole network of 52 satellites is up and running in, say, 5 years,
Yeah.
what's the expected outcome? What changes?
The big picture goal is achieving continuous or near continuous coverage of sensitive zones and border areas.
Okay. No gaps.
Pretty much. That constant watch capability significantly strengthens India's ability to monitor activities, react quickly, and it also, reinforces its deterrent posture. Just knowing you're being watched constantly can change calculations.
Right. A stronger deterrent through better observation from space.
Exactly. It's a strategic investment with pretty clear security goals.
So you can see how this major push in space technology is really aimed at bolstering India's security posture through advanced observation. A fascinating development to watch. Stay tuned to the WION podcast for more such intriguing stories to come.